Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. During these times when kids are studying from home, the regular math activity can really get boring. So we've come up with two fun math activities where it will be little different, a little fun, and won't require a lot of supplies at all. It just requires a white sheet of paper, some colored paper to make it little more interesting, set of pens, a glue stick and a scissors. That's it. It's just this basic supplies that we need. So let's get started. So for the first activity, it is arranging the numbers in order. For this, I have taken the colored sheet of paper and drew a few shapes on it. That's simple squares. My son prefers them. You can use any shape you want. It could be a heart, triangle, circle, any one. And he is 5 years old. So in this activity, I am going to write numbers from 21 to 40, which he has to arrange in order. So this activity can be done with your kid who is in kindergarten or who is a preschooler. Instead of 21 to 40, you can just make it 1 to 10 or 1 to 20. So, what are they practicing in this simple setup? The things that we practice in this is number recognition, number order, counting, and the most important is the fine motor skills. His number formation has improved over the last few months. He can really grasp things better when he can physically do things with his hand. So let's move on to the next one. This is the ascending order, also known as arranging the numbers from the lower value to the higher value. I have made 5 sets of 5 numbers each from 1 to 40. You can again do it according to the age of your kid. These 5 sets, he has to check the number and arrange it accordingly. This may seem simple, but with this, they learn sequencing, getting fluent with numbers, develop critical thinking, and again, the most important thing for me is the fine motor skills. Kids love activities that challenge them while also having a little fun of their own. I hope this video has been helpful to you. If it is, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channels for more such videos regarding fun with learning. Thank you so much and have a great day. Keep smiling.